बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि हम रिलेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं सेंट्रल मोमेंट का रा मोमेंट से या रा मोमेंट का सेंट्रल मोमेंट से। प्रीवियस के दो वीडियोज में हमने आपको सेंट्रल मोमेंट निकालने के फार्मूले, रा मोमेंट निकालने के फार्मूले और मोमेंट अबाउट ओरिजिन निकालने के फार्मूले के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम बताएंगे relation between central moment, central moments mu r and रा मोमेंट्स म्यू आर डैश। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम आपको बताएंगे रिलेशन बिटवीन सेंट्रल मोमेंट म्यू आर एंड रा मोमेंट म्यू आर। हाउ टू एस्टेब्लिश द रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज टू? जस्ट सी, वी नो दैट the rth TRAL central moments is given by, क्या जानते हैं आप? is given by mu r dash is equal to 1 by n this is first equation. Okay students, so to find the relation between raw moment and central moment, we will introduce a new content A, which is assumed mean or the value of x at point A. So it can be rewritten as, just see, fi xi minus a minus x bar minus a to the power r. And students, we have learned about this content. Just see, x plus a to the power n is here, nc0 x to the power n into a to the power 0, nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into a1, nc2 a square plus nc3 cube plus and so on plus ncn x to the power 0 a to the power n. You have learned about this formula. So by using this formula, we can expand this expansion. By this way, we will obtain, so mu r dash, mu r equal to, sorry, it should not be dash, mu r equal to 1 by n summation fi, and this is nc0 is 1. So in place of n, here r is given, so rc0 is again 1. We will write xi minus a to the power r. Okay students, plus rc1, just see, in place of n the given power is r, rc1 x I minus a to the power r minus 1 into x bar minus a plus RC2 into x bar minus a whole square plus dash 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 plus RCR here x minus a xi minus a to the power r. Just see here, this should be minus, so due to this it should be minus, and alternate it will be minus plus minus and so on. This is minus 1 to the power r x bar minus a. So what happened? Just see students, what happened? Mu r is here. After multiplication of 1 upon n summation fi I vary from 1 to n, we have this xi minus a to the power r. Okay students, minus rc1, this should be 1 by n summation fi. Just see x minus a, x bar minus a into x bar minus a, plus by the similar way plus rc2 fi, sorry, rc1 xi my x into xi minus a to the power r minus 1 plus rc2 summation fi xi minus r minus 2 into x bar minus a का whole square plus and so on. Last term b should be minus 1 to the power n xi minus a to the power, this should be r. Okay students, what happened? We already know that some useful result is going to be put. We know that x bar minus a is nu1 dash, okay, and mu r dash is equal to, you have learned in previous lecture. What happened? This should be fi xi minus a to the power r. So doing this, if r is here, so r is here. If elephant is here, so elephant is here. It means that this r depend on this. So if here the power is r minus 1, so value is mu dash r minus 1. So by using this concept from here to here, we will obtain mu r is equal to, just see, this is the value of this, exactly this. Now this should be mu r dash minus, just see here, rc1, the value of this into this, just see, mu r minus 1 dash, and x bar minus a is here, mu 1 dash. Okay students, so similar way we can find for rc2. rc2 is here, this is rc2, 1 by n, sorry, 1 by n into this becomes mu r minus 2 dash into mu 1 dash square. Just see, because of x bar minus a is mu 1 dash, so it should be mu 1 dash square. Similar way, the next step be rc2, the value is here mu r minus 2 dash v1 dash q plus and so on. This is the relation in between central moment and raw moment. This is a relation in between central moment and raw moment. So how to find its value? Just see, by giving we can derive different relation in between mu r. First, when r becomes 1, just see here, r becomes 1. Here when r becomes 1, so this becomes mu1. R becomes 2 because of, as we know, mu1 is already defined that mu1 is always 0. So for r equal to 2, higher than the value of 2, 3, the value of r equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, we will obtain the different value of different relation. So for r equal to 2, let us do, it should be mu2, and here this is mu2 dash minus 2c1 because of rc1. This is mu dash 2 minus 1, mu1 dash plus 2c2. Student, it should be 2c2 and mu 2 minus 2 dash mu1 dash square. Just see, the relation is mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus 2c1 is 2, and this is 2 minus 1 becomes 1, mu1 dash minus plus 2c2 is 1, so this is mu0 dash and mu1 dash square. So now to simplify, after simplification, we will obtain mu2 dash minus plus mu0. We have already learned that mu0 is always 1, mu0 dash is always 1, so this should be mu1 dash square. Now after simplification, it becomes mu2 dash minus 2 mu1 dash square plus mu1 dash square, mu1 dash square. This is a relation between central moment and raw moment. Okay students, so again for r equal to 3, let us derive the other one. For r equal to 3, this becomes mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3c1, okay, mu3 minus 1 dash and mu1 dash plus 3c2 mu dash 3 minus 2 mu1 dash square plus 3c3 mu1 dash 3 minus 3 and mu1 dash cube. Next content, or you can say next term should be 0. Here after simplification, we will find mu3 equal to mu3 dash 3c1 is 3 this should be mu2 dash mu1 dash. 3c2 is, I think we can find here 3c2 factorial 3 minus 2 factorial 2. 3c2, it means I think this should be 3 because of this is 3 into factorial 2 and 1 factorial 2 factorial 3. 3c2 is also be 3 and 3c1 is also be 3. So mu1 dash का whole square and 3c3 is 1 plus mu0 dash mu1 dash cube. Here students, just see mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus this should be mu0 dash is 1, this should be 3 mu1 dash square. So 3 mu1 dash cube plus it should be 1, so mu1 dash cube. So students, just see its value becomes, just see, I think one thing is going to be wrong. It should be minus, this should be minus because of alternate minus and plus should be minus plus minus. So now that should be again minus, so it should be again minus, it should be again minus. So this becomes mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 3 minus 2 plus 2 mu1 dash cube. This is the value of mu3. mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 something. Similarly, one more important relation is here. This should be second. The third relation should be when r is equal to 4. This should be mu4 equal to, just see students, mu4 dash 4c1 mu4 minus 1 dash v1 dash plus 4c2 mu4 minus 2 dash mu1 dash square plus 4c3 mu4 minus 3 dash mu1 dash cube plus, just see, minus plus, it should be minus, should be plus 4c4 mu4 minus 4 dash mu1 dash to the power 4. What happened? Let's see. After solving this, we will obtain mu4 equal to mu4 dash minus 4c1 means 4 mu 4 minus 1 be 3 and mu1 dash plus 4c2 is a factorial 4 factorial 2 It means I think 4 into 3 into factorial 2, 2 into factorial 2 cancel, so it should be 6. So now here the result would be 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square plus minus plus minus minus root minus 4c3. 4c3, what happened about 4c3? 4c3 is factorial 4 factorial 3 factorial 1. It means that 4. It should be 4, and this should be mu 1 dash का whole cube, and 4c4 be 1. This should be mu 0 dash mu 1 dash. So after simplification we will get mu 4 equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash square minus 4 mu 1 dash to the power 4 minus plus mu 0 dash is 1, mu 0 dash is 1, mu 1 dash to the power 4. After simplification, mu 4 equal to mu 4 dash 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash and minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3 mu 3 mu 1 dash to the power 4. Okay students, this is the procedure by which you will find the relation between the above relation are given in mu r dash. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से म्यू आर और म्यू आर डैश का रिलेशन आपको मिल जाएगा। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने आपको रिलेशन कैसे इस्टेब्लिश किया जाएगा, सेंट्रल मोमेंट का रा मोमेंट से रिलेशन क्या होता है, इसके बारे में हमने आपसे चर्चा किया। अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में हम इस पर बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे कि किस प्रकार से इस म्यू 2 को और म्यू 1 को इजीली निकाल करके म्यू 2 डैश और म्यू 1 डैश को इजीली निकाल के हम म्यू 2 निकालेंगे, किस प्रकार से हम म्यू 3 म्यू 2 म्यू 1 निकाल करके हम म्यू 3 निकालेंगे। ये सिर्फ हम इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं क्योंकि कभी कभी डायरेक्ट मेथड से सेंट्रल मोमेंट निकालना कठिन होता है जबकि मीन जो है वो डेसिमल में आ जाए। तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में हम आपसे इस पे बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम की चर्चा करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।